My name is Jayna Larm.
Donovan Sturgis.
Todd Larm.
No matter what your age, you may remember looking in the mirror not long ago and no longer seeing the breakouts and blemishes that you're used to seeing, but seeing the start of your first wrinkle. Or you may remember that first twinge of pain in your joints when the weather changed maybe. Is it arthritis? Even worse, do you remember when you spotted your first gray hair? There it was, sticking out like wire. Very noticeable. None of those things made you feel very good, did they? Well, brace yourself because it only gets worse from here. We tell ourselves life's too short to live with a nose that's too large or eyes that droop. Your self-esteem is so low. Wouldn't it be nice to feel good about yourself? If you looked better, maybe you'd be more confident. Or would you? According to the internet article, The Hidden Dangers of Cosmetic Surgery has become a booming $10.1 billion business each year in the United States, according to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons. Women make up 91% of cosmetic surgery patients, and they are electing to make quick fixes to their body more than ever, undergoing 5% more procedures in 2010 than in 2009. Greater number of young women are now getting cosmetic surgery. Cosmetic procedures are up 4% for women in their 30s, and 30% of all liposuction recipients are ages 19 to 34, according to the American Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. This may indicate a new wave of perfection seekers. Women at normal weight sometimes trim an inch of fat away from their thighs. Does anyone like the way they look anymore? Do we all need to look perfect to be happy? What is perfect anyways? Unless a cosmetic surgery's purpose is needed for medical reasons, it may be best to reconsider having plastic surgery. When children and teens see celebrities, or even their own friends and relatives, changing their looks through cosmetic surgery, it teaches them a lesson about the importance of appearance that they may never get out of their minds. According to the internet article, The Drawbacks of Cosmetic Surgery, one of the problems of cosmetic surgery is that it can become psychologically contagious. Lawmakers in the United States have tried to curb the abuse of cosmetic surgery that do not involve operating the deformities caused by birth defects, injuries, or disfiguring diseases, by proposing a 5% tax on elective cosmetic surgery. Plastic surgery can have poor results, such as scarring, nerve damage, infection, and bleeding. A study in Norway found that females who had plastic surgery had poor mental health, including depression and anxiety disorders. Cosmetic surgery can wind up producing some very disappointing results. In fact, sometimes results are downright startling, and there's a potential of actual deformities caused by plastic surgery. We all see examples of them, particularly in celebrities. All of us, even celebrities, can get into the mindset that if one surgery was good, several more surgeries will produce better results. Well, take a look at these cosmetic surgeries that had poor results, mainly because people didn't stop at their first one. Here's a picture of Heidi Montag from the MTV show The Hills. Here's before and here's after. She had 10 procedures done in one day. The next one I have is Joan Rivers. Here's before and here's after. Most people now consider her looks to look very fake and plastic-like. This is pop music star Michael Jackson. He had many cosmetic surgeries done. This is before and this is after. The impact of these pictures, people don't look normal anymore. It changes their looks majorly. I'm showing you these pictures to emphasize that cosmetic surgery can be addictive and sometimes have startling results. At its worst, cosmetic surgery can ruin a person's life if its results aren't good. Marilyn Leach thought she was undergoing a simple procedure to her eyes. 30 surgeries later, she could no longer blink. A botched facelift performed on British woman Penny Johnson severely damaged her facial nerves, and she wound up losing her business and becoming a recluse. If the surgery results cause problems and the patient is not emotionally stable or financially secure, the results can be disastrous. Many people must borrow money to have their cosmetic surgery, so if they need another procedure to fix the first one, their finances can be in ruins. So in conclusion, attempting to seek perfection through cosmetic surgery can lead to disappointment, permanent damage, and few die from the surgery. In the final windup, many times the risks associated with elective cosmetic surgeries are not worth the emotional and physical price. Thank you.